Welcome students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As per an important topic regarding Mendelian genetics. Topic question now plant hybridization experiments, or you can say Mendel's hybridization experiment. Mendel's hybridization experiment. Çünkü तुझे already पता मुझे already पढ़नोमुत कि Mendel कोर plant अख select as his experimental plant. Plant is now pea plant, garden pea plant. Your scientific name is Pisum sativum. यह में already पढ़नोमुत छो Mendel कर 7 character note, 7 character select in order to perform different genetic crosses. तो प्रत्येक कोई characters छ जो contrasting variants or contrasting phenotypes. Each character is having 2 contrasting phenotypes or variants. For example, if we take plant height, it's having 2 traits like tall and dwarf. These are 2 contrasting phenotypes of the same character, that's plant height. Similarly, if we choose flower color, it's having 2 contrasting phenotypes, violet versus white. In 7 characters select करें Mendel करान आप experiment आप that's called as Mendel's hybridization experiment. Hybrid क्या हो? The formation of hybrid अथवा hybridization. Hybrid go ये दोन plant cross करो. Hybrid go तीन offsprings. Offsprings formed by crossing 2 parents. By crossing 2 parents exhibiting different phenotypes. For example, if we explain you tall versus dwarf. मगर tall गछ आसन pure tall, ये गछ impure आसन क्या, ये गछ आसन homozygous. Pure मतलब गो ये self pollination में हमेशा ती बनाई parent आसान आशे. For example, अगर parent tall on self pollination or self fertilization, it always form tall plants. Similarly, dwarf गछ आसन pure dwarf. ये गछ न दो खुदिन क्या, ये गछ हमेशा on self pollination बनाऊन dwarf plants. It's called pure. या शायद बना आज़ाद homozygous. That means homozygous tall and homozygous dwarf. Similarly, for example, we have character like seed shape. It's a character having 2 contrasting phenotypes. One is round, or some people also write as smooth, versus a wrinkled phenotype. And when these two are crossed, the offspring is formed. the offsprings formed are called hybrids. And the formation of hybrids is called hybridization. The offsprings formed are called hybrids, and the formation of hybrids are called hybridization. थोड़ा इस समझ आमुत hybridization किस पोर्ट से गसान. Mendel conducted this experiment in 3 major steps. Number 1, selection of pure breeding parents. Number 2, artificial cross pollination of pure parents. And third step is self fertilization of F1 hybrids. Self fertilization of F1 hybrids. 3 major steps in Mendel's hybridization experiment. Gordon क्या selection of pure breeding parents. अमि खुद Mendel दिवान प्रेथ कुछ वैरायटी, चाहे सह टाल छा, चाहे तक पिंक फ्लावर छा, टाल वर्सेस डिवार इथा पड़े, पिंक वर्सेस वाइट इथा पड़े, राउंड वर्सेस स्मूथ इथा पड़े, ब्या pod shape that is full or inflated versus constricted, pod color green versus yellow. Yima sari character, yima sari varieties Mendel divan allowed them to self pollinate. That means Mendel let each variety to self pollinate, to self fertilize for several generations. Variahan generation self fertilization gasne. Kaim khotra so as to choose only those parents which are pure. Kaim khotra tim plant choose karne khotra yim use kar as parents yim pure asan emi bont kun dokh din kehin. That means, for example, tall plants it form first F1, then F2, then F3, dash. And out of all the generations, man choose only those plants which breed true, which on self-pollination form the same phenotype that parent is. Similarly, in case of dwarf, F1, F2, dash, and only those dwarf plants are selected or chosen which breed true. And similarly, bakiyan character khotre te yem already parne mich 7 character timan khotre sh sari Mendel karan yoh step use so as to get two true breeding plants. And pat true breeding plants choose karan kam khotre for artificial cross pollination khotre. For example, asni chho zu plant ak chu genetically pure tall, byak chu genetically pure dwarf. Yim bani parents. And patan naman then cross gesit is ati offspring neran ch. The plants must neran offspring in the form of seed. तो चूंकि एदन चिम टाल प्लांट दीवार प्लांट आप करा यूज एज मेल पेरेंट ब्याश करा एज यूज फीमेल पेरेंट अम बोट थोड़ा वन बो अबाउट पॉलिनेशन क्या गो कित पे गसान as you already know about pollination, वन पॉलिनेशन हसा गो ट्रांसफर ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम पोलन ग्रेन ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम कत पे एंथर टू स्टिग्मा। इसमें ऑलरेडी पम लेक्चर में वोन एंथरस मज बनान पोलन ग्रेन्स यानी पोलन ग्रेन ट्रांसफर टू स्टिग्मा। अत ट्रांसफर गसन वन पॉलिनेशन। अत पॉलिनेशन जो किस्म अकिस वन सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन यथ मज या कि सिंगल फ्लावर इन्वॉल्व गसि युस बाइसेक्चुअल आसि होमोगेमस बाइसेक्चुअल यानी मेल पार्ट तो फीमेल गसन तिम गसन मैच्योर एट द सेम टाइम यमो मज वारिया ज्यादा चांस सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन यथ मज अकोई फ्लावर इन्वॉल्व गसान यानी अमे अके फ्लावर कि एंथर पे वथान पोलन ग्रेन्स बेहन अम किस फ्लावर कि स्टिग्मास पे। इट्स कॉल्ड एज ऑटोगेमी इज अ टाइप ऑफ सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन। दम सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन ब्या टाइप कत अगर ए निमो ए अत बी ब्या टाइप दैट इज कॉल्ड गिटिनोगेमी GEITONO गिटिनोगेमी क्या गो अत मज ज फ्लावर इन्वॉल्व 2 flowers आर इन्वॉल्वड मगर शर्त दोनों फ्लावर गसन अक्सी प्लांट्स पे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये हाव ये प्लांट फ्लावर ये ब्या यह तिमन प्लांट मज पॉसिबल मोनोइशियस MONOECIOUS मोनोइशियस क्या गो यह गो सू प्लांट बेयरिंग 2 types of flowers कह मेल फ्लावर्स कह फीमेल फ्लावर दैट मीन्स इट bears unisex flowers। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर नम निमो एज मेल फ्लावर्स नम निमो एज फीमेल फ्लावर्स अत पोलन ग्रेन ट्रांसपोर्ट फ्रॉम एंथर ऑफ मेल फ्लावर टू द स्टिग्मा ऑफ फीमेल फ्लावर born on the same plant and it is considered to be a type of self pollination। that means genetically whole plant is same, having the same genetic constitution from base to top, that means it is a genetically it's a type of self pollination। and second type you have another type called as cross pollination। Cross pollination means transfer of, here I will show you, this is one plant, this other plant, what happens in case of cross pollination? There is a transfer of pollen grains from one plant to another plant like this, or we can say vice versa like this। That in this case 2 plants are involved, and in this case 2 plants, one is tall, second is dwarf, these 2 plants, the 2 plants are involved, and this pollination is carried out with the help of human beings। That's what's called as artificial cross pollination। What happens in this case? Madeline polygamic pollen grains, because we already you could use as male parent, I am going pollen grain with the help of brush and then dusted them over the stigma of dwarf stigma। यम कि स्टिग्मास पर त्रै अम से गई पॉलिनेशन। मगर अम ब्रो कि अगर तुम थोड़ा बहुत पता टेक्निक ऑफ यूज कर दैट्स कॉल्ड एज emasculation, EMASCULATION। emasculation क्या गो? emasculation को removal of anthers, it is the removal of anthers, anthers remove karan before their maturity, before their dehiscence, DEHISCENCE यानी एंथर फटने ब्रोठी पोलन ग्रेन रिलीज गसन ब्रोठी एंथर्स रिमूव करान कम मूजूब फॉर एग्जांपल इस दीवार प्लांट यह बाइसेक्चुअल अत मेल पार्ट अत फीमेल पार्ट अत चांस ऑफ सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन वारिया ज्यादा आसान मगर इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन एंड अगर गसन क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन दैट्स व्हाई अमिक एंथर्स तम करो रिमूव ब्रोठी कम ब्रोठी कि अत गई पॉलिनेशन and that step is that's called as emasculation. Removal of anthers before their dehiscence, before their maturity is called emasculation. And time khodr so as to prevent self pollination and facilitate cross pollination. ताकि ऐसे को बोल ये में कि desired pollen grain चाहसान कि मैं को आराम सान ये कि stigma hospital त्रोइज that's why cross pollination. And पर cross pollination पच्चा seed बनान that is formed after pollination followed by fertilization. When I say zygote, zygote is converted into embryo. Embryo became covering is khasan in the form of integuments. The whole structure becomes seed. It's a seed to metal. You want your hybrid seed. You want your hybrid seed. And formation of hybrid is called hybridization because in this case, I scale z. In plant involves plant use having contrasting phenotypes, having different phenotypes, like tall, basic, dwarf. They are hybrid seed. If you go to Madeline basket, and but she hybrid seed so karan. It is seminous lagan chu. Madeline chu wucha at nera khali. Now doyo parent mazan. Doyo phenotype much akoi phenotype express gasan that is only tall plants are formed. तो चूंकि ये गॉडनेस जनरेशन तावत हो बनाओ F1 जनरेशन ये मने पेरेंट्स ये बनो F1 जनरेशन F1 means familial FILI familial 1 familial in English means offsprings or some people say brothers and sisters. Then I'm button for man थोड़ा broad pan ये जान खातरी hybrid शायद pure के impure. I'm but करा self fertilization of F1 hybrid means those hybrid tall plants you must bani hybrid tall plants करा ये काम इसी में करा self fertilization he allowed them to go for self fertilization. चूंकि already पता pea plant it is usually self pollinated after one पाने self pollinating गसने so as to form and when you want F2 hybrid seeds and when F2 seeds are sown at the examiners loy man chusha doi qismi plant tall te dwarf te in the ratio of 3:1. That means tall to dwarf in the ratio of 3:1. Which means that you sasa a key phenotype. It is so root those kind F1 is more sugo BT express in F2 generation. And in this way, Madeline Karim hybridization experiment 3 steps. If Madeline Wanan, no dio period, no much akoi period express the sign in F1 and F2 self fertilization. Don't watch express in the ratio of 3:1. And for all the 7 characters, he times high parabol. It results for all the 7 characters. It puts Madeline Dapan, dio much akoi express, Aksharosa hidden to Dame Schnera B Katmazan, F2 Osmosan. तो ये एक्सपेरिमेंट बनो बेस लाइन प्लेटफॉर्म बनो फॉर परफॉर्म डिफरेंट जेनेटिक एक्सपेरिमेंट्स फॉर परफॉर्म डिफरेंट जेनेटिक क्रॉसेस तो यह बनो बेस फॉर मेडलियन इनहेरिटेंस लॉज दैट इज मेडलियस फर्स्ट लॉ एंड मेडलियस सेकंड लॉ ये डिटरमाइन करने खातिर कि हाउ कैरेक्टर्स आर ट्रांसमिटेड फ्रॉम पेरेंट टू ऑफस्प्रिंग इंशाल्लाह आज करो चीज़ डिस्कस इंशाल्लाह मोट करो इंशाल्लाह ब्याक टॉपिक डिस्कस तो इजाजत जीव इजाजत अल्लाह ताला हवाले।